Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a BMW 3 Series. I'm talking generation F30, 31, 34. This is guys a 3 Series between year 2012 to year 2019. And if you need to remove or replace upper engine cover guys, because you need to remove that cover for many repairs, stay with us. We will explain everything from start to finish and what to look for not to actually damage your upper engine cover and the tabs and common problems that we see when you actually remove it and install it. Now before we start, let me introduce you to the channel guys. If you need to buy any tools or parts for your BMW or any car, we share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get them for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, but good news guys, on this BMW we will have close to 500 videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. So let us show you what we have here and what we will be doing. Actually, we need to remove our engine cover because we'll be doing timing chain replacement. That's a weak spot on this BMW, and we'll show you guys actually how to remove the upper engine cover in the meantime. Another thing, we have a second channel that's called Electrical Car Repair Live. You can find, we'll be sharing all the electrical videos, diagnostics, engine light codes, airbag codes on that BMW there. So please subscribe, you will find very helpful information on this channel as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So now guys, your upper engine cover has three actually places where it locks to the engine. Grab with two hands firmly, careful around the oil cap, grab it with two hands, pull up, then pull right here to the front and pull on the side. Now gently lift up, come out of the oil filter cap and just slide it towards the front. Okay, on the back side you have two actually, those two tabs, plastic tabs, they go all the way. Let us show you down there. Now on some models, not all, we don't have any vacuum lines or anything like that, but if you have the turbo that has the manual actuator here guys, the wastegate actuator, you will have a vacuum line attached to it, so you will not be able to remove that engine cover until you disconnect the vacuum line. So gently lift up, make sure you don't have vacuum lines running from the turbo actuator to the valve cover. You can see it came out. Now if you remove the foam piece, right here guys, you have to be careful. Later you need to situate it to where you can actually insert the insert the valve cover in the tabs. One is here, the other one is over there, those rubber tabs. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know guys. Now what I was talking about, weak spots, those rubber bushings sometimes will come loose, so make sure that you have them attached, you can see, to the upper engine cover. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.